Hello everyone, I am Ferhat Olayev. Today I will explain area between curves integration with respect to y. Let's get started. What's area between curves? Why we sometimes integrate with respect to y instead of x? Typically when we find area between curves, we integrate with respect to x, but sometimes it's either hard or impossible. That's when we switch and integrate with respect to y. In this lesson, we will learn when to do that and how to set up and how to calculate it. When to integrate with respect to y. If your function are expressed as x in terms of y, like x equals to fy or x equals to gy, we integrate with respect to y. This is especially useful when the curves are better to understand left to right rather than top down. We have this general formula for integrating with respect to y. Area equals to integral from c to d, f of y and gy dy, where fy is a right function and gy is a left function. Let's look at some examples. First example, we should find the area between x equals to y square and x equals to y plus 2. We have 3 steps. First of all, we should find points of intersection, then we should set up the integral and then calculate it. First of all, let's find the points of intersection. Y square equals to y plus 2. Here our intersection points are -1 and 2. Let's set up the integral. We know that we should write first the right function. Let's look at the graph of these functions. We can see that in this interval, the right function is x equals to y plus 2. That's why we should write it first place. Our integral from 2 to -1, y plus 2 negative y square dy. Now we should calculate it. The antiderivative of this is negative y cube over 3 and plus y square over 2 plus 2y. And now we should plug in 2 and -1 and then subtract them, and we get 9 over 2, it's 4.5. There are some common mistakes that students make when they solve with respect to y. They mix up left and right functions. We should define from the graphs of the functions which one is right function and which one is the left function. We should find the correct integration points, and we always should sketch the graph to understand the problem. Let's look at another example. Find the area between x equals to y square and x equals to 4. Again, we find the intersection points for setting up the integral. Y square equals to 4, and from here y is -2 and 2. Now, according to our formula, we should set up the integral from -2 to 2. Let's look at the graph for finding the right and left function. From this interval, we show that the right function is x equals to 4 and the left function is x equals to y square. Now write them to the integral. 4 minus y squared dy. Now we should calculate it. The antiderivative of this is 4y minus y cube over 3. Now we should plug in 2 and -2 and then subtract them. We will get -32 over 3. Now let's look at another example. We should find the area between x equals to y square and x equals to 3y. Again, we should find the intersection points. 3y equals to y square, and from here we see that intersection points are 0 and 3. Again, from the formula, we should first write the right function. Let's analyze the graphs of these functions. X equals to y squared and x equals to 3y. From here we can show that in this interval the right function is x equals to 3y and the left one is x equals to y squared. That's why we should write the 3y in the first place. From integral 0 to 3, 3y minus y squared dy. Now let's compute the area. The antiderivative of this integral is 3y squared over 2 minus y cubed over 3. And the integral points are 0 and 3. We should plug 3 first and then 0 and then subtract them. We will get 9 over 2 and it's 4.5. Now let's look at another example. It's harder than other ones. We should find the area between the curves x equals to cosine y and x equals to y squared minus 1. The points of intersections are -1 and 1. We should set up the integral from -1 to 1. Let's look at the graph of these functions. We can see that in this interval the right function is cosine y and the left function is y squared minus 1. That's why we should write in the formulas in the first place the right function x equals to cosine y. Let's write it. Integral from -1 to 1 cosine y minus y squared minus 1 dy. Let's compute the area. From -1 to 1 cosine y minus y squared minus 1 dy. And its antiderivative will be sine y minus y cubed over 3 plus y. And the points are 1 and -1. When we plug in and subtract them, we will get approximately 3.016. And this is the final answer. Again, when we integrate and find the area between the curves with integration with respect to y, we should first find the integration points and look at the graphs of the functions for understand that which one is the right function and which one is the left function. Then we should plug the functions into the formula. In the first place the right function, in the second place the left function, and also integral points. Then we find the antiderivative and the final answer is the area between the curves. Thank you for your attention.